Everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Tenda AX3000 router access point and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this router is not connecting to the internet or your devices are unable to connect to it or anything like that where it seems to be not detected, not responding, etc., a hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to set this router up as a new router on a new network and everything like that, it's a good idea to just get a fresh start by wiping everything off of it. So you can either do this via the web interface just by going to Tools, Maintenance, Maintenance again, and then Reset, and you can reset it, but we can actually do it straight from the hardware if we get a paper clip or something like that, or even the tip of a pen, because it's not super recessed, the button. And all you're going to do is, with power to it, you're going to press and hold the reset button on the back of the device for about 8 seconds, and then you'll see it reboot, and it will reboot into its factory default settings.